Hey guys, welcome to today's video. We are going to be testing out crappy products, which sounds like a very strange concept, but you guys, I am so into these videos. I watched Nicole Concilio do one, I've seen Rach Loves do one, Laura Lee, and basically this is trying out products that you have never tried out before that are low rated on Sephora. Let's just get to the crappy products. I have this Sephora Beauty Amplifier. This is a mattifying H2O gel primer. Now what this says is it's going to instantly matte with a cooling feel. It has green tea, rose extracts. It's going to cancel out shine. That all sounds really good. Why do people not like this? The reviews on this are pretty awful. One reviewer actually says, I'd give this no stars if I could. This made me look crunchy like peanut butter.
I disagree with your premise.
It actually does feel really nice though. It feels really cooling. Oh, that is sticky. Wow, that is so sticky though. Okay, you know what this is reminding me of? Becca had a primer that was silicone free that was like super glue for your makeup. It was super mattifying. Back when I had more oily skin, I loved that primer. It was so good. And a lot of people that I recommended it to were like, oh my gosh, how does this work for you? It makes my skin look horrible. Now, the way that I always made it work was really using a tiny amount and just going around my nose, going right on my chin where I get oily, right in the T-zone. And I think maybe that's the way to use this product. It feels like I just put super glue on my face. All right, we're gonna have to see how foundation lays on top of this. I have the Becca Aqua Luminous Perfecting Foundation in light. Now, this reviewer actually says, disappointing. I saw girls on YouTube review this and it's horrible. It does not work for my combo skin. People with dry skin love this. Now, I have combo skin, so we're gonna see exactly how or why this doesn't work out. But right now my skin does in areas feel a little more dry than usual. It's just this time of year. So we're gonna see. Oh my God, another person says awful, awful, awful. Dang, people do not hold back, you guys. It is entertaining as hell to read the reviews on Sephora, I am telling you. Okay, so you open this guy up. This is 44 bucks, by the way, and it is a dropper. I like this. Drop, 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 drop. How is that the shade Light though? Do not use it with a sponge. Like, I just used all of that, like 2 like squirts out of the thing, and it's gone. It's gone. Does it say like use your fingertips only? I don't understand. It says to use 1 or 2 drops of this. How? I'm gonna try doing it on my fingers. 1 drop, 2 drop. I don't know. I just always feel like when so much shows through, like why even bother, do you know? Like why even bother? Just use a good primer, put on some blush and bronzer, because this just looks kind of uneven and my pigmentation is showing through. It's just not good. Does not work. This is actually one of the more horrible foundations I have ever tried. Okay, moving on. We're gonna try out this concealer from Clinique. This is the Beyond Perfecting Super Concealer Camouflage 24-Hour Wear. Now I have the shade Very Fair 05. This is $19.50 and someone online says that this made them look leathery and crusty. Not exactly what you want from your concealer, you know? All right, I don't think it's as bad as the foundation, but I don't think it's worth 20 bucks. I think you can easily get a Maybelline Age Rewind from the drugstore, a Maybelline Fit Me. There are a lot of drugstore options that will give you this kind of a finish. I feel like if you're gonna spend more money, go with Tarte Shape Tape 100%. You know what? I just wanna show you guys like the difference. So I'm gonna put a little bit of this on so you can see the level of coverage and the difference that this will make. And this is why it is such a raved about concealer, because it really cancels everything out and just makes the skin underneath your eyes look flattened out, wrinkle-free, really pretty. So yeah, the Clinique one is a pass. Moving on to another cream product before we get into powder, I wanna try out this Sephora Blush to Go. I have the shade Miss Busy. Let's just swatch it for a second. Oh, so this is on sale for $6. When something's on sale like this, you know it's kind of not good. One of the reviewers said that they hated it so much that they gave it to their 5-year-old daughter to play with as play makeup. I don't really see a blotchy issue. I think the packaging is super cute. I think for $6, this is actually not bad. And it probably, let's just try, it probably looks good on the lips too. Yeah, I don't hate this. I actually disagree with some of the reviews. We have a powder from Natasha Denona. Now, you guys know I love Natasha Denona. I love her overpriced palettes so much. Her makeup's fabulous for the most part. I haven't been a big fan of her foundation or primers, but those eyeshadows and the eyeshadow toppers are like some of my absolute holy grails. So this is an HD powder. It's $32. Ooh, that comes out fast. And a lot of people are saying this made their skin look very cakey, like they had a chemical peel. I don't know. We're gonna try baking my concealer. Now that I put the Shape Tape on, I kind of want to see how this will bake. There's something almost cooling about this powder. Like I don't know if it's my imagination, but it feels cold. Why is this burning my eyes though, is what I want to know. There's just something minty feeling on my face. It's kind of weirding me out a little bit, but we are going to move on. Now, while my bake is setting, I'm gonna move into brows, and I have these Makeup Forever brow pencils. Now, this is one of the items that I actually enjoy, I don't hate, but I don't use these as often as I use, say, my Dior, you know, itty bitty pencil that I love so much. But I did want to give these another try. It kind of made me curious, and I had these on hand already. Drawback is these do not come with a spoolie. So I'm actually going to use my Dior brow pencil spoolie to brush my brow hairs up, and I'm going to take the shade number 10 first, which is lighter. Okay, yeah, I actually really hate it when brow products don't come with a spoolie. Like how are you supposed to? Oh my God, I'm cheating. I don't know what my hand is doing. It's happening. People's biggest complaint with this one is that it is too stiff. For me, I just don't like the size of this, and I don't like that it doesn't have a spoolie. I find it really hard to create a natural looking brow and add fullness to my barely there brows without that like micro fine pencil. So this is just like my comfort zone. And yeah, I just don't think, this is burning. I just don't think this is worth the cash. So sorry, Makeup Forever.
Flyers under my eyeballs.
Or like something chemically is like not happy together. Oh, F that. Oh my God, this looks horrible. Let's move on to bronzer. Now I'm laughing because on my vanity in front of me is the Model's Own Sculpt and Glow, which I use almost every day now that I have discovered this in my trying new stuff at Ulta. Was so happy to discover this. It's really good. It's like such a staple. I didn't even know I was missing it in my life. And then this one from Physicians Formula, the Butter Bronzer. So that's like my bronzing situation. Affordable, drugstore. And then we have this. This is a self-tanning bronzing mineral. I've had this. I have been scared to try it, so wish me luck. My face might look muddy for however many days a self-tanning powder works. I've never tried anything like this, but you know what? We're just gonna do it. We're gonna go with it. Actually, no, I take that back. I think I used their loose version of this in the past, and it was pretty awful. I do love Vita Liberata actual like body tanners, self-tanners. They are really good. I think it's called like the Phenomenal Tan or something like that. This is a $35 product, so it's more expensive than my two favorites that are right here in front of me. Oh, that's a little harsh. Yeah, the reviews were right about this one. It's only gonna make you look like a more horrible version of yourself. Let me continue applying it on my face. Why did I think this would be fun? Don't buy this. It's bad. You're bad. This is just the ugliest makeup I've ever tried. We're gonna do a little highlight now. This is from Tarte. This is the Pro Glow. Tati, really, you're so dumb. Why did I buy this? I already know I don't like this. So we are gonna put this on the high points of my face. Whoa. I mean, is everything else just so bad that this is like making me think that it's nice. Why do I like that right now? Why do I like that? I thought I didn't like this product. Maybe it was their oil primer that I didn't like. They had some kind of a highlighter that I put on and I was like, ew, no. I mean, it's no Hourglass Vanish Stick Cream Highlight. The difference with a product like this and with the Vanish, which I've been raving about recently, not sponsored at all, but this product right here, I'll show you. It's clearly a cream, but the nice thing is if you put this on a sponge or on your fingertips and you put it on, you know, the face, just like I did with this one, it does not remove any of your foundation. Like it doesn't grab whatever product is underneath, whether it's just a cream or powder. It works every time. So this is the standard that is set for me, and this doesn't cut it. Here we go, guys. We are switching gears and we're gonna test out this Givenchy Nudes 6-color palette. This is inspired by chocolates, iced chocolates. What the f is an iced chocolate? Why do luxury companies think that they can say like anything? Like this is inspired by sparkling kittens in the winter. Like what is iced chocolate? Have you ever eaten an iced chocolate? Do you keep chocolate in your freezer? What the f? You are beautiful. You're a looker, but are you smart? And do you have a nice personality? Someone says, it's the cheapest packaging ever. Dry, hard, no pigmentation. And this is $66, so this could be like a WTF. Like I could have just done a WTF video because look at the amount of product that you get for 66 bucks. We're gonna go in with this gorgeous color right here. It's like this nice transition shade. I actually like the shade. I think this is gonna look great. My eye makeup might be like the one redeeming thing of this whole look. Let's try to make that happen. Wow. They are right. Nothing is coming off here. Are you guys seeing that? This one right here, Colored Rain with an R. I know, I always see the like drop as a D. You guys point that out to me. I get it. Sometimes I have my moments. That was a moment. So stop judging me so much. So I want to show you guys. I'm going to go in with a clean brush into a very, look how similar these shades are. Okay, they're both matte. I'm going to go in here into my Colored Rain palette and I'm going to show you, oh my God, look, pigment. Look at that pigment. What a beautiful transition shade. How much are you? Probably not $66, and look at how many colors you get. Givenchy, that's a effing tragic ripoff. What is this? Are you joking me? Okay, I'm going in for like the 5th time. Disappointing. Okay, I gotta even myself out here. So we're gonna go back like this. I really hoped that my makeup would be good enough that I would not want to wash my face at the end of this, but I already feel like I would just want to wash my face. Like that's how much I'm not loving these products. So now what we are going to do is take a MAC 224. I'm going to go into this lower corner right here and try to just pump up the outer edge. That's tragic. I just want you to see. I am like, do you see my brush? Wow. I think I found the world's worst eyeshadow palette. This is, honest to God, a tragedy. All right, and we're gonna go back to, do I have like a brown nearby? Does anybody have a brown? Let's just go like lightly into this one right here, and I'll show you what something should look like. And you wanna go on that outer corner, all right? And that's just one light dip, not 5, just one light dip. Okay, so for the final test, I am gonna take a little bit of the glittery thing right here and we're gonna pack this on the lid, and she's officially underwhelmed. Here we are, it is time to line our eyes. I have this liner called the Stylographic Dramatic Line. This is a Sephora brand liner and this has horrific reviews. It's on sale for $8. It has a flame-shaped tip, that's how they describe it. That's not as bad as everybody's saying it is. The tip is not ideal. I don't like this tip at all. It makes it a little bit too wide and too hard to apply. And the intensity is not great. If you are looking for a very richly pigmented, better tipped eyeliner, then I will link below a drugstore best of video that just talks about black eyeliner. I forgot mascara. We're just gonna go ahead and use my Lash Paradise. This is one that I absolutely obsess over and is actually really, really good. So don't mind me sneaking it in here. I got rid of all of my bad mascaras, so kind of rotate between like 4 or 5 and that's it. You know, better than 50. I actually wanted to try a couple of these out. This is kind of, well, I guess this whole video is first impressions, but this was sent to me. I have all of these new lip products from Incredible. I don't know why people are freaking out about this, actually. It's 10 bucks. People are like, it's too much money. It's crappy. It smells bad. The packaging is tacky. I actually kind of like the packaging. Am I alone in that? Like, I think the packaging on this is pretty cute. For 10 bucks, I'm not mad about that. And it has the cute little flower in the bottom. I'm gonna go ahead and just try this on. Let's see if this is one of those color changing ones. Maybe not. So these don't do that. This is just a line of superfood lip quenchers enriched with natural oils. It's just a lip balm. I don't think it's bad. For 10 bucks, it feels really nice. It's elegant. It looks like a beautiful lipstick. And if you're attracted to this kind of a thing and it makes you smile, then I don't think that's so awful, actually. Oh, you know what I want to try? One of the iridescent lip glosses. I have not tried these out. I've actually been super curious and excited to try these. So these are available on Sephora as well. Let's just kind of take a peek at what people are saying. This is a better reviewed product than the Jelly Lip Balm. It's feminine and illuminating. Sometimes I feel like I'm reading a romance novel when I'm reading the description of a product online, especially Tom Ford. Oh my gosh, go to Tom Ford's site. Everything has like the most exciting description and you're like, yes, I need that. Wow, these are 13 bucks. I actually don't think that that is a bad price for Sephora. So I'm going to crack into here. Yeah, no, this does not go with my look, obviously. I have camo, orange, like we're just all over the place color-wise. I guess if you're into this kind of a lip topper, this is one of the more intense ones compared to the Galaxy line from L'Oreal. That's what I thought that line was going to be. Like when I saw that it was very like sci-fi and this and that, I thought those were gonna be more like this and they were very subtle. This is so loud. It's just not for me. It's not for me. And this one has a blue kind of a vibe to it as well. Okay, those are just a pass. F it, I just wanna try on one of these too. Okay, this is a gloss. Now they don't have these on Sephora. I'm sure they will soon though. I just need something normal on my lips. Okay, I just need something a little more basic on my lips. I actually really, really like this. So this shade right here is Gone Shopping. I've gone shopping all the time for bad makeup today. Yeah, most of this just did not work out. I gotta say, this is not a good makeup day for me. It is not doing me any favors as far as helping my pores, skin texture, dryness. I just don't feel that cute. So I'm gonna go ahead and say I already know a lot of these items do not work out for me. The foundation, the primer, not gonna mess with those again. The concealer, not gonna mess with that again. Givenchy, shame on you with that $66 eyeshadow palette. That being said, we all enjoy different things, so keep that in mind whenever you are watching this kind of a video or a fails video. My opinion is just mine, and I try to give you detail of why things didn't work instead of just being like, I hate it, you know? So I do hope you found this interesting. Let me know if you like this enough for me to do it with Ulta, Amazon, drugstore, or if you want me to do like a best, like just trying the 5-star items, I could do that as well. And I hope you guys enjoyed this. Give the video a thumbs up. I love you so much, and I will see you all in my next video. Thanks for watching. Mwah.